This man's wife had passed away. He lost all hope in life. He couldn't even bring himself to play music. One day a cheerful little bird came to his window. The man tried to shoo it away, but the bird refused to leave. The man reluctantly let it stay. After washing up, the man sat at the piano, but his heart was full of frustration. He reached for his coffee, but the little bird on the cup startled him. He dropped the cup and it shattered. The man tried to chase the bird out, but the bird playfully outsmarted him. As he reached for the bird, he noticed its colors looked just like his wife's favorite dress. The man fell into memories again, but this time he chose to face the past with courage. He reached out and began to play the piano. The little bird danced to the music. In that moment, the man forgot his sadness. He lost himself in the music. Suddenly, the photo album fell and shattered. The man's heart sank again. He picked up the album and saw a message from his wife. "I will always sing with you." In that moment, he realized the bird was his wife, come to sing her final song for him.